This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a poll on LinkedIn. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into LinkedIn. To create a poll in LinkedIn, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is click on the Start a Post. I'm going to click in there. And then these icons down at the bottom, what you want to do is click on this one right here. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says create a poll. I'm going to click there. Now you want to ask your question here. I'm going to click inside this little box here and I'm just going to type Now I'm going to go down to option 1 here. I'm going to type in an option. I'm going to go down to option 2 here. I'm going to type in an option. And now you could add up to 2 more options. The way you add options, you just click on this add option button. Now I'm going to add 1 more option. That's my final option that I can add. And now the bottom box down here, poll duration. By default it's set to 1 week. I'm going to click on the little drop down here. You could set it for 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. I'm going to leave it on 1 week. That's the duration of time that this poll will be active. And then you just click on Done. I'm going to click on Post now. And there's my post right there. That is how you create a poll on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.